let's go into the camera interface, which is very much customized from the stock Android, which actually has a very Xperia interface, a very nice Xperia interface in it. So let's see settings. You can clearly see that you have the toggle bar here, which is actually to toggle video and audio, video and picture mode. Here we can toggle it to this button, and also you have the toggling for the front camera and back camera. You can switch to front camera by just tapping into it, and you get switch back to the back camera. So which is also very nice. So now let's go into the settings, and you can clearly see the settings here. So you can just click switch to front camera and back camera, and you have the flashlight here, and you have the resolution. You can see the resolution is about, the maximum resolution has changed from 3264 into 4096 into 3072. So the camera resolution of the Canvas 4 has changed, and that's a very nice thing. And also the video quality is very amazing, and you can't really imagine that this much change will occur in the video quality. There's a huge difference in the MP of the video also. So if you take one minute video, it will be able to get about very high MP. So you can clearly see that the resolution has changed, and that will affect also on the MP conception of the video. So the video quality is far better than the Canvas 4 with this UI. So you can see the scene mode here, adjust effects like image quality. You can also adjust composition, guide effect also there, and you can just the memory where you want to save these photos. So you can also go into advanced settings. You have the ISO, white balance, stereoscopic, also have the touch shot control, and other settings. You can have GPS location, camera sound, camera animation, focus mode, volume key, and preview brightness, and all that things are here. You can also have a reset button in here. So very nicely customized interface. Let's take a picture of this cube, and let's see the response of this device. Let's see the response. You can see very instant capturing. There is not much delay. It's very focused, and you can clearly see it's really nicely done. So you can clearly see that the pictures are very clearly focused and very sharp. I don't know you are able to see it or not, but it's really sharp. It's really nicely done. So you can also have the other features in this device, which is panorama, SDR, low light. All the settings are available for this device. You can also have a low light mode, which will enable to capture the images in low light conditions. So if you want to capture these images in low light, you can just set into low light mode, and you can have that very good quality of image. And that's all about the interface. And you can see, so, and you can also see a lot of animation effects are there, lens effects, magic effects, color effects, and all that effects are available in this UI. So there is a wide variety of customization done with this device. So let's take a video, and let's see the amount of MB that it takes to record particular video. So that's image stabilization is also available here. You can just turn on, and you can also take a video here. I'm just recording a video, and you can see the FPS is very nicely done. There is not much problem with the video. You can clearly see that. So I'm going to take a 10-second video, and let's see the amount of MP that it consumed. So you can see it's about 25 MB. So 10-second video is taking about 25 MB. So that's really huge. So the quality of the video capturing is very high compared to the Canvas 4. And the next thing that I want to say is that the RAM interface, that is the RAM customization of this firmware, is really nice. And I'm getting about 300 MB of RAM as free, and it's very stable, and it doesn't need much RAM. So I have 1 GB of RAM, and I'm getting about 300 MB of RAM free. So that's really nice, and there is no stuck in this device. And you can also see there's a gallery preview here. You can just go through the pictures in the gallery by just flipping in here, which is just like the Xperia devices. So which is also a very handy feature when you have this device in your hand. And also if you want to get into the gallery, you can just click on that and you can just get into the gallery here, and it's very simply done. So you can just get that particular photo, and you can, if you want to send it, you can just click on the share, and you have the Picasa messaging, Bluetooth, everything here. So you can also select it with Facebook, Twitter, multimedia share, everything. You can do WhatsApp, everything is available in here. You can also type share. This device is also available instantly. So uh, that's a really great features of this device. So the gallery customizations are really nice, and you can also see the weather widget here, and it is also a very nice animation effect given to it. And overall this device is getting a very huge appearance enhancements with this particular UI interface. Okay, now let's quickly see another interesting feature in this device. If you get into the menu, and if you drag it from the side, you can set this menu here, and you can clearly see install apps in here. And if you want to get into the most used app in here, you can just get it. And if you want to take alphabetical order of the apps, you can just get it like this. And if you want to take any you can set your own order, and you can just rearrange everything if you want. So it's very handy to use this particular UI. If you want to uninstall any app, you can get an uninstall mode, and you can uh, just click on the close button, and these apps will be clearly uninstalled. So these are very handy for users who really want to do a very quick things very quickly. So now let's see how to uh, get into task manager, and you can just close the apps that you have just opened. So let's open some apps. So I'm going to open the calendar now, and I'm also opening the notes now, and I'm also opening some other apps like what is called Walkman. Also I'm also opening the music player. So I have opened some apps, and now let's see how to go into the task manager. It's very simple. You have to just tap on this icon here, and you will get all this opened app, and you can just close it like that. So it's very simply done, and you don't have to hold any button. It's just like tapping it, and you can just open it. And also we have the record button here. You can just click record the audio here. You can just click on this button, and you can just record it, the whole thing if you want. So it's very quickly accessible. And also you have the notes here. You can just type, you can just click, and you can just type important note, take down the notes you want. So that's also a good feature. And you can also have the net browsing system here. And you have here they have also given an option to click here. You will get active clip browser, calendar, cameras, app, flashlight, which is also defaultly available in this device. There is no need of any external application. You can just turn off or turn on the light here, and you can just take it wherever you want. So it's very nicely done, and you can also close it when you don't need it. So very nicely done, a very great improvement in the UI. And you can also add any other shortcuts that if you want. And you can also have a task manager which will be appearing on the home screen, and you can make a task manager changes in task manager. You can see the CPU process. You can also see memory process here, and you can see how what are the things that is consuming memory, and you can switch back to the CPU if you want. So these are for advanced users who really wants to know everything happening in this device. So this will be really handy for them. So these are also really handy features in this device. So that's all about the Canvas 4 with the Xperia interface. And what I want to say is that I really like this interface, and I would really strongly recommend for everyone to use this device. And the defects of this interface is that you won't be able to have a smart pause feature in this device. You have to sacrifice that to get this voice. Also, you don't have the small window video available. That is multi-window features will be disabled. And also you can't really flip you can't really uh, use the blow air feature to unlock. That's also not available. And also you can't flip the device down to activate loudspeaker now. So these are all things, the negative things about this firmware. So that's all about this. But if you're really bored about the Canvas 4 UI, and if you want something new, this is the answer. You won't be disappointed by that. So that's all about this, and thank you for watching this video, and hope you like this video. And if you like it, hit like and stay subscribed. Thank you.